Welcome, today I am with Huawei Nova 8i and I will show you how to install tempered glass on this smartphone. So at the first you have to notice that we have already installed protection on the screen. It's very thin foil. You can remove this foil or you can also leave it on the screen and apply here the tempered glass, so we will improve protection for our display, and that's what I'm going to do. And also it will be good if you have the good source of light to see a very mess that we have on the screen. As you can see in my case, I can spot fingerprints, dust and also other greasy marks. And also the quiet place. So right now we are going to open this box with the tempered glass. And then first we are going to clean our screen with these wipes. We are going to start with the green. So open, remove mess from your display. As you can see, that's very simple. After a few moves we clean our screen, and right now we have to dry it out. So we have to remove this water marks, these wet marks from the display. Okay, and right now we have to use paper towel. Okay, and right now as you can see we stay with this paper marks, so we can grab this this wipe, the dry wipe, and then swipe to the one direction to remove this rest of the paper towel, these macro pieces. Okay, and right now the display looks really good, so we can grab our tempered glass and remove this sticker. Keep holding the bottom part of your tempered glass and just put it on the screen. We have to put this glass evenly for the both edges. So when you are sure that everything is correct, you can hold here and then release the bottom part of the glass. And take a look right now. We can press right here and it goes automatically. Honestly, you can just press here a little bit, and to remove this this bubble, just drag to one of the edge. So you can, for example, get it here. Okay, we can rise a little bit, so put your fingernail and then remove it finally, because as you can see it just come back here. Okay, and right now we have to remove these glue marks. As you can see, they appears here, and that's very simple. You have to just basically press with your finger, and as you can see it disappear. So we have to make it for the whole screen. Okay, so right now we can turn on the screen, and as you can see everything works fine. So we cannot find here any problem with a touch interaction. So that's how we can install tempered glass on the Huawei Nova 8i, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.